As you settle into the warmth of your bath, take a deep breath. Close your eyes gently and begin to tune into the soothing sound and feel of the water around you. Notice the warmth enveloping your skin, the gentle weight of the water cradling your body, and the sensation against your muscles and your skin. And take slow, deep breaths in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each exhale, try to release some of the tension that you're carrying. Allow your breath to find its own rhythm. Deep and easy, in and out, like the ebb and flow of gentle waves. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the water surrounding you. Imagine it as a healing force, carrying away any stress, fatigue, or heaviness that you might be feeling. With each breath in, visualize the water filling you with warmth and calm. And with each breath out, imagine it washing away anything that doesn't serve you, anything that feels heavy or restless. Allow your muscles to soften into the bath, letting go of any tightness or discomfort. Start with your feet, noticing how the warm water feels against them. Let your feet relax fully, releasing any tension in your toes, your arches, or your ankles. Slowly move your awareness up your legs, feeling the heat of the water soothing your calves, knees, and thighs. With each breath, feel your legs growing heavier, more at ease. Now, bring your attention to your abdomen and chest. As you breathe in, feel your body gently rise with the air. And as you exhale, feel your body sink deeper into the water and into relaxation. Let your stomach soften and your chest open. Imagine the warm water relaxing all the muscles in your torso, releasing tension, releasing discomfort. Now move to your shoulders, the area where tension often resides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders melt away from your ears. Let them relax into the water. With every breath, feel the warmth of the water soothing and unwinding any knots or stress you may be holding in this area. Bring your awareness to your arms and hands, noticing how the water feels against your skin. Allow your arms to become heavy, relaxed, and loose. Let go of any remaining tension as you truly surrender into the water, allowing it to support you. Now focus on your neck and your head. Feel the warmth against the back of your neck, soothing, comforting. Let your jaw soften, let your cheeks relax, and release any tension you're holding in your forehead. Feel any remaining thoughts or worries float away as you sink into the peaceful calm of the present moment. With each breath you take, feel yourself becoming more deeply relaxed, more centered. Let the water embrace you like a gentle hug, nurturing and calm. Know that there's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. Simply be here in this moment with the warm water, breathing deeply, and giving yourself permission to truly rest. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of the water and the warmth, the rhythm of your breath. Let go of any thoughts and just be with this experience. Try not to judge yourself if you're feeling distracted. Meet yourself with grace and with understanding. You're safe, you're calm, and you're at peace. Take a few more moments to soak in this feeling of tranquility, allowing the water to cleanse and renew you. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room, knowing that you carry this peace within you, no matter where you go. Continue to enjoy and experience this bath for as long as it feels right, trusting your own judgment. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, centered, and calm, and ready to go about your day. But in the meantime, enjoy the water and extend yourself some thanks for taking this time.